Hi everyone, this is a video to learn how to access MBA's Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Initiative page and Resource Center. There's two different ways you can find it. You can toggle to this picture right here to access the DE&I Resource Center, and you can also go up to Industry Resources link and highlight the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion tab right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and take you to the Resource Center homepage. So this is where you will find our vision, our mission at MBA, as well as different ways you can amplify your DE&I initiatives. We have our MBA's DE&I playbook. This is really a toolkit that's designed to develop your organization's DE&I efforts. So we've made it easier than ever to make that possible for you. You can also learn more about the Path to Diversity Scholarship. This is a great one that gives applicants a maximum of $2,000 towards popular MBA education courses, as well as some conferences. And you can also access the MBA's DE&I Leadership Awards, where you can apply for both the residential award categories and the commercial categories. There's an organizational, diversity, equity, and inclusion, and then there's also the market outreach strategies and the categories that you can apply for. Back on the resource page right here, you can see where the upcoming DE&I events are, so definitely check back soon for more of those. And then you can also get access to the latest DE&I news, such as Convergence and different news links here. And then scrolling up, you can join the DE&I online community. This is a great community resource to access the network right here, where you get emails and notified about different initiatives that might be going on within MBA relating to DE&I. You can meet the DE&I team at MBA, and this is another way to access some of the links that I mentioned as well. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our membership team at membership@mba.org, and I hope you have a great day.